So, in a far, far away kingdom, there was a king and a queen who never bare a child. Then one day, one of the kinsmen came to the couple and said that there is a dragon who will grant their wish to have a child. The king and queen didn't hesitate and went to the dragon and asked to grant their only wish. The dragon granted their wish, but in one condition: their first child will be given to him as a sacrifice. The king and queen agreed. 9 months later, the queen bore a healthy baby girl named Princess Sophia. The dragon came to the castle without warning to get the princess. The king said no and ordered his soldier to kill the dragon, but the dragon was so strong that in one blast killed all the soldiers. The king drew his sword, pointed to the dragon, then slashed him, but the dragon's scale is so thick that sword broke into pieces. The dragon roared and gave up fire breath, killed the king and queen. Then the dragon took the baby from her crib and fly her away from the kingdom.